Eat. Okay, so Sniper just got me, but there's a new power up, and the power up is new, which is 50,000, and I cannot afford it because I'm broke. But yeah, so let's just showcase this package. He costs 325 to place down, and luckily I joined the group. Gotta play some close. I don't know, but which one is a good range for him? I think here because yeah. So Glob 200, shotgun knowledge 100, auto vest, bigger buckshot, and I need to get the paddle. Military is still the same. Militant, well like militant. So the 2 upgrade are still the same, but the CU2 and the 203 it's different. Yeah, militant, he can now hit 4 enemies. Wait, see? Can he? Wait, can he hit 4 enemies before the rework? I don't know. Yeah! That's a lot. I'll get militants in militant have a hidden detection. Stealth detection, I mean. Please don't sue me. Oh, what? That's. But remember, that's not going to be $700. It's now 1,650. That's expensive. He hit 7 targets now. Oh. Nah, they were really going crazy on shotgun rework. And I love it. Dirty. Okay, the max level is max 30, target hit 8, and art angle 55. I don't know. Reload time 20. Ability hard pass. What does that do? What does that do? I don't know. Let's see. Come on, guys, just give me money. Okay, so here is 203. He deals 20 damage, reload time 1.65, range 20, DPS 12.1. What? 12.1? That sounds like a low DPS for a tower who will really carry you through the game in easy mode. Let's just do better though. Okay, no, I think my opinion is wrong. It's not better. Shotgun is better. So on War 2, he deals 40 damage, and no bullet resistance. Target hits 5, art angle 25, range 230. And okay. Now the max level, which is DB12 and A12. 200? What the hell? He hit 11 target. Alt angle 20. Not surprised. Oh, the mouth broke got nerve. And ability unstun power. But does that mean the unstun himself? Nah. They literally made Shotgunner so freaking OP. What the hell? Shotgunner is supposed to be OP. It's supposed to be a beginner tower, and beginner tower is supposed to be trash. But what the moly holy homalo mother? Did Elon Musk buy the moon? What? A10, let's go. Huh? Oh, he healed allies 30% of their HP. So, you guys should bring him in endless mode for healing HP because endless mode is really hard and we need some heal. That would be good. I thought he would heal himself, but he healed his ally instead. Wait, he can heal himself too? Okay. Let's not get freaking excited with this OP up above. This is not even a buff. This is just a straight up becoming god. Go fast, yeah, gotta go fast, gotta go faster. Eat. Can't go. Okay, he got ability. Unstun allies? Unstun allies? So he cannot unstun himself? That's sad. What? Bro is carrying the whole team. Oh look, the big boys hold change, but let's go. Also, more information on the update is that there's leak about Golden Allocator, and that Golden Allocator was inspired by Sock Firstly thumbnail, beating the strongest boss in TDX. He made the Golden Allocator in his thumbnail, and John thought, hey, how about we make endless mode harder and make our players suffer? So he did that. And I've been getting to search TDX Golden Allocator leaks. And John said that the Golden Allocator can convert the Golden Powers to their normal variant. Like, for example, we have Golden Ranger, and if that Golden Allocator converts it, it will turn into a normal Ranger. Which means, yeah, we are doomed. Suck for one, I hate you. I'm subscribed to you. You doomed us all. I hate you. Okay, I need 4 shotgun from 2 sides. Whoa, what? Neither. He also costs more expensive, so yeah. So that's trying to I do not doubt that he will. I do not doubt that will be used as a. I doubt that he will not be used as a speedrunning talent. What's up? Literally just one now. When you gonna go? Is he gonna catch that? You get the tower? I don't know. Yeah. So yeah. Freak I. Laser kind of he didn't detect it. Wait, this is a video about Rework. I'm not supposed to break my video. I'm gonna place egg here. No, maybe 6. Nah. Hey, shut up! Oh, that shotgun sound is so satisfying, like really. Okay, click down to spawn. Got 6, and I got 8. Wait, I need to put. They don't have schizophrenia. Real. Come on. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Bye.